Good morning, grade 9. Today we will start to solve the extra worksheet concerning inequalities that is already given to you. As a reminder, to solve inequalities, you have to use the same method as solving equations of first degree. Let's start with the first example. We have to solve the inequality 13 minus 4 into 2 plus x minus 8x less or equal to minus 9. In the first step, we have to remove the parentheses. That's why we have to multiply minus 4 by 2 plus x. Then we get 13 minus 8 minus 4x minus 8x less or equal to minus 9. In the second step, we have to take the variables on the left side and the numbers on the right side of the inequality. Then we get minus 4x minus 8x less or equal to minus 9 minus 13 plus 8. Then minus 12x is less or equal to minus 14. Here we have to pay attention to the coefficient of x. If the coefficient of x is negative, then we have to change the inequality. The coefficient of x here is minus 12, which is a negative coefficient. That's why we have to change the inequality from less or equal to greater or equal. Then we get x greater or equal to minus 14 over minus 12. Therefore, x is greater or equal to 7 over 6. We still have to represent the solution on a number line. So we put 7 over 6 on the number line, and x is greater or equal to 7 over 6. That's why we put on 7 over 6 a straight line, since x can be equal to 7 over 6, and the solution is represented in the blue zone. In the second example, we have to solve the inequality 2 minus x minus 3 over 4 greater or equal to x over 2 minus 1 minus x over 3. In the first step, we have to take common denominators on both sides of the inequality. On the first side, the common denominator is 4. To find the numerator, we divide 4 by 1, which is the denominator of 2. 4 over 1 equals 4. Then we multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. Then we divide 4 by 4, then the answer is 1. Then we have to multiply 1 by x minus 3, we get x minus 3. But we have to pay attention for the minus before the fraction bar. This minus is for both x and minus 3. That's why we get minus x plus 3. On the other side of the inequality, the common denominator is 6. To find the numerator, we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. Then we multiply 3 by x, we get 3x. Then we divide 6 by 3, we get 2. Then we multiply 2 by 1 minus x, we get 2 minus 2x. And here also we have to pay attention for the minus before the fraction, which is for both 1 and minus x. That's why we get minus 2 plus 2x. In the second step, we have to make a cross multiplication in order to remove the fractions. That's why we have to multiply 6 by 8 minus x plus 3 and 4 by 3x minus 2 plus 2x. Then we get 48 minus 6x plus 18 greater or equal to 12x minus 8 plus 8x. In the third step, we have to take the variables on the left side and the numbers on the right side of the inequality. Then we get minus 6x minus 12x minus 8x greater or equal to minus 8, minus 48, minus 18, then minus 26x is greater or equal to minus 74. Here we can see that the coefficient of x is negative. Then we have to change the inequality from greater or equal to less or equal. Then we get x less or equal to minus 74 over minus 26. Then x is less or equal to 37 over 13. To represent the solution on a number line, we have to put 37 over 13 on the number line with a straight line on 37 over 13, since x can be equal to 37 over 13, and x is less or equal to 37 over 13. Therefore, the solution is represented in the blue zone. Don't forget to write the exercises in this video on your notebooks. And you have also to do the assignment, which is the extra worksheet number 3 already given to you. Thank you for listening.